In this video, I'm going to show you how to make banana oat muffins. The ingredients have been listed in the description box below. You're going to take your flour, and to your flour you're going to add your oats. You can use any oats that you prefer, but I wouldn't use steel cut. You can go ahead and add your sugar. I prefer to use brown sugar. And then your leavening agents and your salt. Go ahead and add your spice mix. And then in a separate bowl you can combine 1 egg along with your buttermilk or milk if you don't want to use buttermilk. You can add your oil and then go and add some vanilla extract, and I've added in a bit of cinnamon extract. Make sure that you mash up your bananas and then you can add it to your wet ingredients and combine thoroughly. Add your wet ingredients to your dry and then mix until they are combined. Line your muffin pan with 12 muffin liners, and then you can go and fill those liners with the mixture. Bake in a 220-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. And then enjoy. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.